If you're running JD Edwards, World or EnterpriseOne, you already know how stable it is. The problem isn't the software, it's the support bill that keeps going up every year. That's why more JDE customers are turning to third-party support. You cut your annual maintenance costs by about half, while keeping your existing JDE licenses fully intact. And unlike Oracle, independent providers actually support your custom code, your integrations, and the workflows that make your business run even better. You avoid the pressure to migrate to Oracle Cloud before you're ready. Third-party support lets you extend the life of your JDE environment for years without forced upgrades or surprise end-of-support deadlines. Here's your tip. Before renewing, compare your actual support usage with what Oracle charges. Most JDE customers realize they're paying premium pricing for minimal ticket volume. If you want to see how much you can save, reach out, share your NDA and your renewal proposal. We'll review it and show you exactly how much JDE value you can unlock without risking stability.